A tattoo is like a snapshot of an idea, feeling, or memory that you want to carry with you forever. It's a visual proof that something or someone really happened. Whether you get the tattoo because you're afraid you might forget, or because you know you never will, your tattoo is full of meaning. It just speaks to you. Hi guys, this is me Noorin here and a huge shout out to Vibrating Ink. I came here to get 2 tattoos done which were like really personal and I am so happy with it. It was just fabulous. Also, I got my ears pierced and that also feels awesome. So I feel like I came in like and I'm going out being a different person and being more rad and more spicy and more like, you know what I mean. So thank you so much. Big shout out, do follow them on their Instagram handle and YouTube and give us all a huge like and yeah, keep loving and sharing. Bye.